Thomas Weather.
The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody, on this Wednesday morning. It's the 17th day of June. Time as I make this 3:45 a.m. It is fairly comfortable out here this morning, and dew points will be in the 60s today, which is, it's going to be a hot day, but nothing like the kind of dew points we saw a week ago today when the dew point was 77. All right, so what about the rain chances, which have been fairly small the last few days? I'm going to show you the updated forecast through the weekend for here in the Gulf Coast beaches. I'll also show you when the better rain chances will return to the area. Plus, we'll talk about blazing heat on the first weekend of summer, and why has it been so quiet in the tropics lately? I've got an answer for you.
That upper low that has been haunting the southeastern U.S. for the last several days will start to migrate out of the area. And boy, oh boy, that's good news for the people who live in the Carolinas, where it's been so wet for so long. They've been having flooding rainfall. But for us, a fairly routine day. Rain chances, of course, are not zero. It's June in Alabama. But you see a few blips on the radar later on this afternoon. I've got the rain chances under 20% today and closer to 20% tomorrow. With mostly sunny skies today and a high temperature up to about 87. Pretty routine June day. Tonight's low down to 67, and the winds out of the east at 5 to 10 miles per hour today. Tomorrow, rain chances are, widely scattered. I'll call it isolated. We're about 20%. It's getting hotter, up to around 90 tomorrow, and then into the low 90s on Friday. And again, rain chances fairly small. That upper ridge of high pressure is going to be building. That means a very hot weekend. I've got us around 94 on Saturday. And again, the rain chances will be relatively small, but it is June in Alabama, so the rain chances never go quite to zero. In fact, summer will officially begin at 4:43 p.m. Central Time. That is the summer solstice, the so-called longest day of the year. The days get shorter starting on Sunday. And Sunday is Father's Day. It's going to be very hot. We're in the middle 90s, and the rain chances minimal, under 20%, but not zero. And rain chances do get better on starting around Monday. I've got the showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon and evening hours, 40% chance, and a better chance later in the week. So rain chances very small Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, but not zero. High temperatures getting hotter each day through Sunday. And even Monday is going to be a hot and humid day with scattered showers and thunderstorms by the afternoon and evening hours. And I think those better rain chances will continue for much of next week. Hey, if you're heading south to the Gulf Coast beaches, it's a great beach forecast. Rain chances, of course, never zero, but relatively small. High temperatures in the mid to upper 80s. Gulf water temperature now at a season high of 84. Out in the tropics, what's going on? Well, there are two X's on the map for the National Hurricane Center, one over North Carolina and the other one over Aruba, both systems giving a 0% chance of developing. Why have the tropics been so quiet lately? Part of the reason has to do with dust coming off the Sahara Desert, believe it or not, covering much of the tropical Atlantic, much of the development area. So it looks like, at least for the next few days, the tropics are going to remain relatively quiet.
Okay, that's all I've got for you this morning. You know the drill here. This is where I tell you that we're live on the radio this morning from 6 to 9 on News Talk 93.1. That's point number one. Point number two, we're live on TV on CBS 8 and ABC 32 this morning on Alabama Rising. Point number three, there'll be another video for you first thing tomorrow morning at 4:45 a.m. That's the posting time, but frequently it's posted earlier. Point number four, what would be, your forecast whenever you wanted across the dial on the Blue Water family of stations. I'm out of points now. I'll see you later. Have a good day.